You can manage multiple settings in Shopify. First comes the email notifications Shopify sends you and your subscribers based on different events. You can change the sender name of these emails and also use your own verified email domain. Enable any of the notifications that you need and customize them based on your store's branding with HTML coding. Make sure to check our email variables reference to understand what data you can include in each email. After editing, you can also send a test email to check the result before your launch. You can also integrate Shopify with most email marketing services, such as Klaviyo and Shopify Email. Make sure to check our Integrations tab. Stay tuned for more insights on each feature in our upcoming videos.